The base and superstructure model is a fundamental concept in Marxist theory, offering a framework for understanding the relationship between the economic foundation of society and its cultural, legal, political, and ideological aspects. This model is pivotal in analyzing how material conditions influence social structures and vice versa, providing a comprehensive approach to understanding societal development and change. In this model, the base refers to the economic foundation of society, encompassing the means of production, like factories, farms, and machinery, and the relations of production, that is, the relationships between different classes, particularly between those who own the means of production, that is, the bourgeoisie, and those who do not, that is, the proletariat. According to Marx, the base determines society's superstructure, setting the stage for every other aspect of society. The superstructure consists of the various aspects of society that are not directly related to production. This includes the legal and political institutions like governments, courts, and police, and cultural and ideological systems such as education, religion, and media. Marx argued that these elements of the superstructure arise from the base and serve to justify and maintain the existing economic structure. For instance, the legal and political institutions in a capitalist society function to protect private property and the capitalist mode of production. Similarly, the dominant ideology in a society tends to justify and naturalize the capitalist system, often by promoting values that align with capitalist interests, such as individualism and competition. However, the relationship between the base and superstructure is not one-way or static. While the base heavily influences the superstructure also impacts the base, though usually in a more indirect and mediated way. The superstructure can reinforce, legitimize, or even challenge the economic base, affecting the development and transformation of the economic system itself. For example, legal reforms or political revolutions can lead to significant changes in economic relations and in the organization of production. Marxists believe that major changes in the base, such as a shift from feudalism to capitalism or from capitalism to socialism, will eventually lead to changes in the superstructure. However, these changes in the superstructure often lag behind transformations in the base and may not occur smoothly or uniformly, as various elements of the superstructure tend to resist change due to entrenched interests or ideological commitments.